Well, we're out here taking a look at things after the storm last night. If you watched my previous video, you saw how torrential rains came, thunder, lightning, high winds. Let's take a look at this rain gauge right here and see what we got. Yeah, it does look like we got about 2.6 inches. That's a lot of rainfall in a couple hours. So we're going to take a walk about like we do every morning. See how things came about. I'll take you along. Well, we came over here to the driveway bed. And as you can see, some of the small radish seedlings are knocked down. Swiss chard's knocked down as well. This seeds all seem to have done pretty well. Still don't have a lot of the noble giant spinach coming up. Some of what we had may have got covered up. I do believe we have one right there. But other than that, I think we have one right there. But all this washed in on top of it. But for the most part, it survived. And that's a good thing. I'm thankful for that. At least we won't have to replant this. It'll be enough for me. Walking butternut here. It fared well. As did our okra. Some more of it's blooming. We're definitely going to have to get some bags and harvest this morning. Tomatoes are looking fine, as are the yellow crookneck squash. Cucumbers here are hanging rather low. We'll have to go ahead and get them picked off this morning. Green fingers over there at the end of the bed's got some more flowers blooming. Looking fine as well. So, rain didn't beat it down much. So let's go ahead and check the rest of our plantings. Everything looks like it came through it, no problem. Tomatoes are looking good. Oh, purplish beauty there. That's going to come out next day or two. I'm going to have to get these Cherokee purple tied back up. So that'll be one of the projects for today. Go up into the old bamboo patch, cut some big canes, extend the trellis up, get these back up to where they need to be. Go over and check our transplants on the transplant table. Well, Swiss chard got a little bit beat down. Some of these are knocked down. Hopefully they'll straighten back up. No, we finally got bell pepper sprouting. Before we leave over here, I want to check this other rain gauge. See what we got on this side of the house. Like I told you, different areas of your property get different amounts of rainfall based on the structures, trees, the wind. Let's see what we got here. Now we had 2.6 on the front side of the house, and we got nearly 2.1 on the east side. Still a considerable amount of rain, considering it only rained for a couple hours. Rattlesnake pole beans came through it. Like I told y'all yesterday, I was going to pick these, but the rain came, and that didn't happen. So we'll definitely be, as soon as these dry off, we'll be getting these out today. And we're over here at the old raised bed now. Some of the little rash seedlings were knocked down. Most of the lettuce looks like it fared pretty well. Oh, and we got some carrots starting to sprout up there. You can see them right there. That'll be fantastic. If you remember, we planted them in wide rows, probably about 3 inches across. And we do have some debris from the oak trees fell upon them. We'll have to go ahead and get that up. We'll do that here in just a second. But yeah, we got quite a few carrots coming on. Go ahead and get this debris out, so it doesn't smother the tiny carrot seedlings. But overall, it looks nice. Walk over here to the old compost pile. Beans are looking good. Got plenty of nice blossoms starting to form again. Squash looks a little ragged. At least one of them there, one of the green beauties, took a beating. Sunflower stood up well. Trix, get out of there. Trix! You know Trix has no respect for plants. I've tried to teach her, but she doesn't. She goes where she wants, when she wants. Early sun glow. Some more of it's popping up. So for the most part, everything weathered the storm just fine. We're thankful for that. We'll just get a little cameo here from Merlin. He doesn't show up often, but he's one of our little furry friends. And of course we got Trixie here. She's always beside me. No more than a couple feet away. Of course she don't think much of Merlin. She's very protective. So we're going to go ahead and wait till things dry off. We're going to harvest up the beans, cucumbers, and tomatoes. Get about clearing off the rest of the gardens. I just want to do a quick video today, let you know how it all came out. Appreciate y'all watching. Till next time, y'all stay safe. Take care. God bless you and yours. Bye.